In today's world of endless distractions, maintaining focus has become one of the most challenging yet essential skills for success. Whether you're a student trying to absorb information, a professional aiming to meet deadlines, or someone who wants to stay present in daily life, your ability to focus can significantly impact the quality of your outcomes. However, focus is not an innate trait. It is a skill that can be cultivated, repaired, and enhanced. This video will explore actionable strategies to improve focus, address the root causes of distraction, and help you regain control over your attention. Before diving into solutions, it's important to understand why so many people struggle with focus. Several factors contribute to this widespread issue. Digital overload, notifications, social media, and the constant stream of information from our devices are primary culprits of distraction. High levels of stress can cloud your mind, making it harder to concentrate. Lack of sleep. Sleep deprivation negatively impacts cognitive functions, including your ability to focus. Poor habits, multitasking, lack of structure, and procrastination can all undermine focus. Noisy, cluttered, or distracting environments can divert your attention away from what matters. Now that we understand the problem, let's explore effective ways to address it. The first step in improving your focus is to recognize what disrupts it. Begin by observing your daily habits. What activities, people, or situations cause you to lose concentration? Are you checking your phone every few minutes? Do you work in a chaotic environment? Write down these distractions and categorize them into two groups: external, like noise and notifications, and internal, like wandering thoughts and stress. By identifying your distractions, you can develop targeted strategies to tackle them. The next step is to create a distraction-free environment. Your environment significantly impacts your ability to concentrate. Here are some strategies to optimize it. Declutter your workspace. A clean and organized area can help your mind feel less chaotic. Eliminate digital distractions. Turn off non-essential notifications. Use apps that block social media or keep your phone in another room while working. A focused mind thrives in a focused environment. Take the time to create a space that encourages deep work. Step 3 is to prioritize your tasks. One reason we lose focus is that we often feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of tasks we need to complete. The solution? Prioritize effectively. The Eisenhower matrix divides your tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither. Focus on the urgent and important tasks first. Set daily goals. Every day, identify your top 3 priorities. This approach provides clarity on what truly matters. Use the 80-20 rule. Concentrate on the 20% of tasks that will yield 80% of the results. By narrowing your focus to what's most important, you can direct your energy more effectively. Step 4 is to practice deep work. It is a concept popularized by Cal Newport. Refers to concentrated, undistracted work on cognitively demanding tasks. Here's how to cultivate this practice. Allocate specific times during the day for deep work. During these blocks, eliminate all distractions and focus solely on the task at hand. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a minute break. This method keeps your brain engaged without leading to burnout. Build a ritual. Develop pre-work rituals, such as meditating, journaling, or setting an intention to signal to your brain that it's time to focus. Deep work requires discipline, but offers immense rewards in productivity and satisfaction. Step 5 is to train your mind with mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of focusing your attention on the present moment. Regular mindfulness exercises can enhance your concentration, reduce stress, and increase your self-awareness. Spend 5 to 10 minutes each day meditating. Concentrate on your breath or use guided meditation apps to help you get started. During work breaks, avoid scrolling through social media. Instead, go for a walk, stretch, or simply observe your surroundings. Practice focusing on one task at a time, whether it's eating, working, or having a conversation. By cultivating mindfulness, you train your brain to resist distractions and remain present. Step 6 is to optimize your energy levels. Your ability to focus is directly linked to your energy levels. When you are physically and mentally exhausted, maintaining concentration becomes nearly impossible. Boost your energy with the following tips. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. A well-rested brain is more alert and focused. Eat brain-boosting foods. Include foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins such as fish, nuts, berries, and leafy greens. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can impair cognitive function, so make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Exercise regularly. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, which enhances focus and mental clarity. By prioritizing your physical health, you lay a solid foundation for sustained concentration. The next step is to develop focus-building habits. Improving focus is not a one-time effort. It's a habit that requires consistent practice. Here are some habits to incorporate into your daily routine. Set clear boundaries and clearly define your work, relaxation, and sleep times. Establishing these boundaries prevents work from intruding on personal time and vice versa. Start small. If you find it challenging to focus for long periods, begin with 10 to 15 minutes of concentrated effort and gradually increase your focus time. Reflect and adjust. At the end of each day, evaluate your focus. Identify what worked well and what didn't. Use this feedback to make necessary adjustments. Consistency is key. Over time, these habits will help rewire your brain for improved focus. Limit multitasking. While multitasking may seem like a way to be more productive, it actually diminishes both productivity and focus. Your brain functions best when it concentrates on one task at a time. Batch similar tasks. Group similar activities together to reduce context switching. Focusing on a single task allows you to complete it more efficiently and with higher quality. Chronic stress can scatter your thoughts and make it difficult to concentrate. To manage stress more effectively, incorporate the following techniques into your routine. Practice gratitude. Spend a few minutes each day reflecting on what you're grateful for. This practice shifts your focus from worries to positive thoughts. Seek support. Talk to a friend, mentor, or therapist when you feel overwhelmed. Engage in relaxation activities. Find activities that help you unwind, such as yoga, reading, or listening to music. By managing stress, you free up mental space for focused thinking. Focus is the cornerstone of productivity, creativity, and personal growth. By identifying your distractions, creating a supportive environment, and adopting habits that enhance concentration, you can regain control of your attention and achieve more in less time. Remember, Improving focus is not about perfection. Like and subscribe for more self-help videos like this one.